making them ideal for hospitals, surgeries, food factories and other hygiene-sensitive workplaces. Its individual door compartments and card holders give staff a safe and tidy way to store work garments, and each unit has its own separate key to each lock. The locking system is simple and secure, and its professional and long-lasting finish is tough and suited for everyday use. Our collector provides security for soiled garments, and the service key opens the locker to enable removal of garments. All units are also fully nestable and can be accessed with the service key, making them ideal for removal and distribution of spoiled and clean workwear.